Assalamualaikum guys, this is Tech Review bringing camera review of Voice Extreme V60 for you. We have posted already video sample in our Facebook page, you can see on YouTube. We have bunch of settings here. On top you can see panorama mode, you can see face beauty option, you can see HDR and normal portrait. We have ability to capture 40 or 99 continuous shots by long pressing this, saving 39 pictures. As we just had removed our hands, so it just took this much pictures. Saving would take some time. Let's go to setting. GPS location info, shutter sound, exposure, you can see +3, -3 to +3, and color effect you have mono, sepia, negative, aqua, blackboard and whiteboard. Scene mode you have auto, night, sunset, party, portrait, landscape, night portrait, theater, beach, snow, steady photo, fireworks, sports and candlelight. We have not tested all of these settings, but for the scene modes we have tested the night and we have tested sports. So whenever you are going to a particular you should actually use these scene modes. They work very well, especially the night mode. White balance is there, indecent, daylight, fluorescence, cloudy, twilight, shade and image properties. You can see the default settings are low, medium, high for sharpness, hue, saturation, brightness, and you can actually change one of them and check the result. We will review the camera in detail in our blog. Do read that review so that you can improve your camera. Image properties, default, anti-flicker. Go to camera, zero shutter delay, face detection, self timer, continuous shot 40. We can go for 99 as well. Picture size, yeah, there you can see QVGA, VGA 1 megapixel, 1.3, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 12 megapixels. Preview size is a standard. Do notice that if we shift to full screen, the megapixels will drop to 6 megapixel as maximum, 1 megapixel, 4, and you will have these three options. Do remember this. One of our fan in the did ask the same thing from us in the Noir A900. He was facing this problem. He was getting that he has been fooled and he is getting 6 megapixel result. ISO is sort to auto and we have maximum of 1600, which is very good, and we are very happy with the ISO performance of this device, because this device performs very well around 300 or 400 ISO. Very good result is achieved. Image stabilizer, microphone, audio mode, time-lapse interval, effects. You can see in this video quality. Yeah, there are these two which are confusing. Few people don't know if we keep high, they think that this is the maximum that we can get. This high option is meant for 720 pixel, and if you keep it to fine, this will be full HD video. The sample we have uploaded is made on this full HD result. Okay, so this is the camera interface that we have to show to you. We will we should bring one of those take this picture. You can see the picture like this. We have taken this picture and you can see the result is quite clear until and unless we did it. There are few things that you can do with this picture, including after you have the editing that you can do. We have noted that in daylight condition, if you have taken picture from this and you have taken from some standard camera, we were comparing it with S3 and we were comparing it with Xperia L. In both of them, when we took the picture from this, it was little bit less saturated, or you can see the camera from those Xperia L and S3 were the colors were saturated. But then when we applied this punch to those pictures, and you can save after that from here, we noticed that the picture quality became very good compared to them as well, and you can actually see the color saturation increases. But this is for daylight condition. For light condition, if you use night mode, that would be very better. You have another options as punch, vintage, between, bleach, instant, latte, blue, litho, X process. The others you can straighten, crop, rotate, mirror, and you can auto color, exposure, vignette, contrast, shadow, vibrance. And you can see if you increase this exposure, you can apply exposure, and if you think that your picture is dull, you can increase this exposure and get very good result with this camera. So the thing is, you can improve the camera quality. If you are suffering from low light effect, you can increase the exposure the way we have shown to you. If you are seeing in daylight your picture is less in colors, the colors are not that saturated as it should be, so you should apply some punch and you will get very good results. So this is the camera review that we have worked till now. We will present you come up with a comparison result with Xperia L inshallah very soon, and you will see the result. Vellamo we did test. We got once we got 1400, but at that time we did not install many games. Metal we got 484. We will not do this test because it takes a lot of time. Epic Citadel we got the same result as that of Nina Mark. The result was little higher, 56 FPS. We will upload a screenshot soon. GF benchmark we have not tested. We will test it soon and will post the result. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and our blog. You can see the following addresses here, and inshallah will come very soon with the gaming review. So till then, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.